Hello, my name is Firdaus. My name is 1724006 I will presentation gerund and infinitive because mm, I have choice two option gerund and infinitive the same meaning but different words. Yeah, gerund and infinitive can function as nouns. And can you call subject, object, subject complement, and as subject they take a singular verb. Only gerund can be object of the preposition. Yeah, object of the preposition. The preposition to form gerund use to form gerund the best form plus ing. I enjoy learning English. The best form is learn plus ing. Jadi call learning. It's like simple continuous. To form negative gerund, use not gerund, not speaking, not not reading. Yeah, the gerund used as subject of the sentence. Dancing, reading, running is you can to uh, you can as subject. Contoh, running is boring or reading is boring. Yeah. The gerund used as subject. He enjoy working with children. The verb that take only gerund. Yeah, this five sample to words gerund. The gerund used as object of the preposition. The sample I'm thinking about both as preposition taking based from take and flushing the children to Mexico. Okay, next slide. This is file sample. Yeah, common precision combination followed by gerund. By gerund, you good you get good grade by studying hard. By studying study is verb based from study plus ing. Yeah, it's like passive grammar. Hard is adjective. Go plus gerund. I will go fishing with you tomorrow. You can you can combination many combination gerund and infinitive. This is my region to choose both tema. Okay. The some expression are used with gerund. To form infinitive, use to plus base form of the verb. I want to dance, I want to run, or I want to swim is like infinitive. Infinitive is simple sentence. To form infinitive negative infinitive is not infinitive. He decided not to go to the, I don't see, to the school or anything. Yeah. Infinitive in the subject position. To life is subject as subject. In the United States, the United is complement or adverb. Is my dream. It is my dream to life. To life is center position in the United States. Okay. Verb take that take infinitive. Verb plus infinitive agree. Yeah. Verb. This is verb. You can non phrase infinitive. Verb that come directly after the infinitive or have non phrase is five simple word. Adjective followed by infinitive. Afraid, amazed is combination with verb or infinitive. Infinitive of purpose. In order to, I'll come here in order to. Yeah. Order is verb to infinitive. Yeah. Infinitive with to and now. To adjective or adverb plus infinitive. She's too young, or more example, the sun is too loud. And one example is thinking too loud. Adjective or adverb plus enough infinitive. There are enough is to fold. The gerund option order verb that indicate that action is happening or has happened. The action expressed by the verb come at the same time or after action expressed by gerund. The enjoy going to concern. We enjoy going to concern. This is sample gerund. Infinitive often follow verb that indicate that action will or could happen. The action expressed by verb come before the action expressed by infinitive. Yeah, you can combination infinitive. We hope to go to concern. Yeah, the we hope is emotional verb. To go to is infinitive. You can verb that are followed by non-phrase plus infinitive can also be followed by gerund. The gerund makes it general and the infinitive makes specific the version indicate. The, they allow smoking in the building. They allow to smoking in the building. Jadi, the smoking, you all people can smoking in the building. Yeah. the builder, the build. They allowed me to smoke in the house. This is specific the person indicate. This is simple for advice. Can you sample it? I advise to running sofas and I allow to smoking in the house. This is simple. I encourage I encourage to go school permit request to argue. You can infinitive the verb infinitive. Some verb can be followed by both gerund or infinitive with no change meaning. Yeah. This is begin had like more example. I'm began to even and I had to I had to speak German and anything. I start I start run on I love to re reading this is infinitive. Yeah. I like cooking. I like to cook. This sample. She start losing weight. She start to lose weight. The sum verb observed they can to be observed. Gerund and infinitive have different meaning. She stopped smoking. She stopped to smoking. This is different meaning. They forgot buying bread. They forgot to buy bread. Used, used to, used to, get used to. Yeah, in example, verb of perception, infinitive from start to finish. Gerund is program. I hear the children cry. I hear. I I hear son uh, at finish. I saw your friends walking in the park. This is progress. You infinite form are not used after the following for perception. Maybe I feel sad. I feel too sad. I see to. I see to school. I hear smell. Yeah, I smells. When specific performer of the gerund action need to be indicate possessive nouns or possessive determiner issues. I really express it. Karen here writing that letter for me. This is sample. Peter is coming. Let really me. Apa sih? Young neglecting your teeth will cause easier return to dentist. This is sample, yeah. Other man he's sleeping early. His sleeping is known, yeah, as subject. Oh no object. I don't want him leaving early. Inform. When an infinitive function as a subject or subject complement and any state subject of the infinitive, so the preceded by for if a pronoun follow for, to must be in subject from. When subject the of gerund state is take the progress. For people is for people see is wonderful gift. He deserves for them to take trips around the world. They hope for him to able to the concern. Infinitive can occur and the progressive but gerund cannot to be doing. It's just indicate infinitive in progress ongoing. She had hopes to be working. Both gerund and infinitive can occur in perfect form, having done and to have done. It's used to indicate that in the activity in the past. We appreciate having here. We fortune to have here the same. The gerund can use in passive form. I dislike being taught a lie. Yeah, this is passive passive sentence. Make have let are causative verb. They cause someone to do something. They are always followed by noun phrase plus base from to verb. Do not use infinitive after the verb. She met me for. This is false. She met she met her then doctor go to party. This is sample to after cause the verb get companions. Use the infinitive is sample. She got me to work. This is sample sentence and she confines me to work. Sense perception verb. I hear, listen to, feel, smell, see is perception verb and are followed by either noun phrase plus bear plus base or ing from with only slight different in meaning. We saw people living in poverty. We saw them perform how I can take infinitive or base form if can occur with or without noun phrase. I have them carry the box. I have them to clean up after the party. This is sample. Perfect infinitive is you have to move. It is point materi. The progress infinitive to be working. Ya, perfect gerund having move. The passive gerund is being done. Perfect passive gerund is having been selected. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. See you next time.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the Galaxy Service Center. My name is Ali. How can I assist you today?
Good afternoon. My name is Tiapri Rose. I purchased Galaxy S25. Uh, I have experiencing the same issue, and I was hoping you could help me.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah. Could you please tell me what's been happening with your phone?
Sure, I bought phone about 2 months ago, and the beans working. It's fine until about a week ago, but now keeps shutting down randomly, and even when battery is full charge, something is restart on own, and other have to plug in just to turn in back on.
I see that. Definitely sounds frustrating, especially since the phone is relatively new. Have you tried any troubleshooting steps so far?
Yes, I have restarting the clearing the cache, and even restarting is factor setting. Unfortunately, the problem has not gone away.
Thank you for sharing that. Based on what you've described, it does sound like a hardware issue is the confirm. Did you purchase the phone directly from one of our stores of through a third party retailer?
I bought this phone from your store, official store.
Great, that helps. Do you still have the receipt of proof of purchase with you?
Uh, yes, I bought this is with me in the case here. It
Thank you. Let me just take a quick look. Alright, since the phone is still under the 1 year warranty, you are eligible for a free repair or replacement. Let me ask you a few more questions to determine the next steps.
sure, go ahead.
Have you noticed if the phone gets unnecessarily hot before it's shut down? Shut down? Or does it seem to happen randomly no matter what you're doing?
I have not noticed it's getting hot. It's time to happen randomly. Sometimes I'm using apps and something when just sitting idle.
Got it? That's helpful information. What we'll do next is run a diagnostic test to see if there's an issue with the hardware, like the battery or the processor. This will only take about 40 minutes. Would you like to wait here while we do that?
Yes, I can wait. Thank you.
Thank you for waiting. Yeah, we complete the diagnostic, and it looks like there's an issue with the phone's mainboard. It's not something we can fix on the spot, but we can either send it for repair or replace the device entirely.
I see how long was the repair processor take?
Repairs,
Process take.
repairs typically take about 5 to 7 business days. However, if you prepare a replacement, you can process that immediately, depending on stock availability.
I prefer replacement if possible. It's more convenient for me, and I can go without a phone for too long.
Understood. Let me check on for stock. Good news. We have the same model in stock. I can process the replacement for you right away. We'll just need you to sign a form acknowledging the exchange.
The sound perfect. Thank you.
No problem. Let me prepare the paperwork for you. Here's the form. Please review it and sign at the bottom.
All right, here you go.
Thank you. Here's your new Classy S45 along with all documentation. I've also transferred the warranty to this new device, so you are still covered for the remaining 10 months.
This is good to hear. Thank you for your help. I really appreciated how smoothly this was handled.
You're very welcome. Yeah, I'm glad we could resolve this for you. If you have any further questions or issue, don't hesitate to contact us. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you.